Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error code 182 when you try to install Adobe. So here we go. For example, sorry, installation failed, unable to install the Photoshop, error code 182. So in this Adobe community, there is a solution how you can fix it. You can try to resetting the CC app. You can reset the Creative Cloud desktop app. Make sure it's in the foreground, then press Windows Ctrl Alt R. If you using Mac, you can Command plus Alt plus R. After that, you can if it doesn't work, you can try uninstalling and reinstall the CC app. Here you can click this link. How you can uninstall the Creative Cloud desktop app. And if it doesn't work, you can go to the Adobe customer service and you can try to ask there. You can type agent in the chat box to bypass the chatbot and be connected to person. Here, this one, Adobe Virtual Assist. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, text button below. See you in the next video.